Hi everyone, I am teacher Lynn from Kanglish.com. Of course, today we'll be doing an activity using the same book, Side by Side, book number 2. Let's start it. Alright, let's have our first page of the day. Reading. Alright, delicious, fresh, wonderful, tasty, fantastic, excellent, out of this world. Those are expressions to describe food or to give compliment. Alright, now I want you to read it with me. Okay, at the Continental Restaurant. Alright. Yesterday was Sherman and Dorothy Johnson's 35th wedding anniversary. They went to the Continental Restaurant for dinner. This restaurant is a very special place for Sherman and Dorothy because they went there on their first date 36 years ago. Sherman and Dorothy sat at a quiet romantic table in the corner. They looked at the menu and then they ordered dinner. For an appetizer, Dorothy ordered a bowl of vegetable soup and Sherman ordered a glass of tomato juice. For the main course, Dorothy ordered baked chicken with rice and Sherman ordered broiled fish with potatoes. For dessert, Dorothy ordered a piece of apple pie and Sherman ordered a bowl of strawberries. Sherman and Dorothy enjoyed their dinner very much. The soup was delicious and the tomato juice was fresh. The chicken was wonderful and the rice was tasty. The fish was fantastic and the potatoes were excellent. The apple pie was magnificent and the strawberries were out of this world. Sherman and Dorothy had a wonderful evening at the Continental Restaurant. It was a very special anniversary. Wow, it's a happy story from Sherman and Dorothy. Wow. Role play? Okay. Let's have letter A. Would you like to order now? Yes, for an appetizer, I'd like. And you say the food that you want for appetizer or starter. And I'd like. All right. So we have here how is the and you give the food. It's wonderful or it's out of this world. I'm glad you like it, them, and how is or are the blank. It's they are blank. I'm glad you like it or you like them. Alright, now let's have 26 pronunciation of before consonants and vowels. Listen, then say it. Alright, a bowl of soup, a head of lettuce, a piece of apple pie, a bag of onions. Okay, now you have to say it, then listen. A glass of milk. Alright, a jar of jam, a pan of oranges, and a dish of ice cream. Okay. In your journal, write about special meal you enjoyed in your home, in someone else's home, or at a restaurant. What foods did you have? Who was at the meal and why was it special? Let's have the last one for this topic. Chapter summary, grammar, count, non-count nouns, lettuce, butter, milk is very expensive. Apples, carrots, onions are expensive. You can also say add a little salt, sugar, or honey. Add a few potatoes, nuts, raisins. Imperatives, please give me a dish of ice cream. Put a little butter into a saucepan. Cook for 3 hours. I recommend our chocolate ice cream scrambled eggs. They are delicious. Party tips, a bag of flour, a bottle of ketchup, a box of cereal, a bunch of bananas, a can of soup. Next, a dozen of eggs, a gallon of milk, a half pound of cheese, a head of lettuce, a jar of jam, a loaf of bread, a pin of ice cream, a pound of meat, a quart of oranges, a bowl of chicken soup, a cup of hot chocolate, a dish of ice cream, a glass of milk, an order of scrambled eggs, and a piece of apple pie. Very good. Key vocabulary, food items, apple pie, baked chicken, baking soda, broiled fish, chocolate ice cream, honey, hot chocolate, jam, mushrooms, nuts, pancakes, raisins, scrambled eggs, soup, chicken soup, vegetable soup, strawberries, Swiss cheese, tomato juice, vanilla ice cream, water, white bread, whole wheat bread. Describing food, delicious, excellent, fantastic, magnificent, out of this world, very good, or wonderful. Alright, and that's the end of our class for today. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed and learned something from it. We are going to have more activities on our next video in the coming days. This has been Teacher Lean, and goodbye.